What's up, YouTube? It's your boy D Cam on Cam. Coming at y'all with a video about cooling your engine. Breeze having a little cooling issue. You know what I'm saying? So, for the tackle that today, I've been having these fans on this car for about a year, maybe. It's doing a good job, you know, while I'm rolling. Big old 214-inch fans. You know what I'm saying? They're doing a good job while I'm rolling, but it's the standstill that I need help with. So while I'm just sitting at idle, it'll go up to 190, 200, you know, and maybe a little further, but I want to keep it down. I don't want to have no problems. I don't want to, you know, overheat my engine. I got a little money in it, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to, you know, spend no extra money if I ain't got to. But I wound up going to Summit today and buying I guess you'll say a universal fan shroud for it, you know. So, you know, I'm thinking that might be my issue, you know. If I can, I'll crank the car up and let y'all see what it'll do. But if not, that's cool. But I do want to go ahead and put them on and show y'all, you know, the before and after. But I think they really be the issue for this. I think it really is the issue for this. They're two big fans, but they're just not cooling the rest of the radiator off. You see that big old gap in there? You know, it's cooling the little portion there, but, you know, what about everything else? So, let me get this box, and I'm going to show y'all the part number, show y'all what it look like, you know, damn near like an unboxing. I'll hit y'all right back. All right, y'all. This is the box right here that came in. I think this might be the part number. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. So if you got a G-body, this might be the fan that you can use. Or the fan shrouds you can use for your factory radiator. Put that real quick. You got two holes already drilled right there at the top. Two holes at the bottom. It's a shiny aluminum under here. I don't want to take it off yet until I, you know, drill the holes and stuff for it. But it's a nice size radiator shroud or fan shroud. You know what I'm saying? It look good. I wound up buying some self-tappers and looked in the box when I got it. Looked in the box when I got it and seen that it already came with hardware. I was like, man, but it's cool. I'd rather have more than not enough. So I bought these. I was gonna self-tap them in. These some big self-tappers too. I was gonna self-tap it in, but, you know, I think I might use that. I don't know. I'm gonna see how it turn out. And I decide. Yeah, and by the way, these are 13 and 14 inch. Well, 13 or 14, not and. 13 or 14, depending on what you got. I seen some for 12 inch and 11 inch. I seen some for 10 inches. But my fans are 14, so I decided to go for the 13 and or 14 inch fan shroud. Let me get my fans off. Let me get my fans off here real quick. I'm gonna, you know, unplug them and pull them out for a second and put the fan shroud on and see how it look on there. You know, see what I gotta do, if I gotta trim, cut, anything like that. And, you know, go from there. I'll let y'all see it as I do it. All right.
later.
All right, y'all. I'm back. You know what I'm saying? This is the actual fan shroud. I'm gonna give y'all the part number in a second, but it's a 2-hole 14. I mean not 2-hole 14, 2-hole 12-inch. What I do with my? But yeah, look, y'all. This is the fan shroud. I'm gonna give y'all the part number in a second. These are double 12. Dimensions is 18 and a half length by, I want to say 26. I think 26 or 26 and a half. But man, oh yeah, I ain't gonna say nothing. Yeah, my boy here though. He here to help out. What's up, baby? What's up, yeah. I ain't gonna put too much on him today. But look, man, this is perfect. You know what I'm saying? When I say perfect, it fit like right up in here. Back again. So another day after or so, finally got everything back together. After I had to go back to Summit to get the right part. My phone died on me, so I couldn't actually show y'all me putting that in, but I'm gonna see if y'all can get y'all able to see. Like, this fan shroud is perfect. Like, perfect. I'm trying to get y'all to see it, but anywho, yeah. I got the part number and all that for y'all. I'm gonna put that in the video if I haven't already done it. You know, to get this heating issue down. I also burped it the other day too, so I got a little bit of footage of that. Getting all the air pockets out of the engine. You know what I'm saying? Getting everything else together. It's like it's getting cooler. I think I'm about to do one more thing. I think I might have to get the actual, well, either this or about the other one. The one that you actually tap in. Well, not tap in, but the Billy one with the braided hose. I bought that one too. That looks similar to this. I bought that one too. So if this one don't work, the other one should. I gotta bring a hose from there and tap into her for the steam valve to get rid of all of the air pockets in the head. Which it shouldn't be any, but I'm gonna do that anyway. That's pretty much it. I just don't want to leave this video kind of open-ended. I'm gonna just show y'all everything. The fans blowing, you know, I would turn it on, but I ain't got the key. But they blowing this way towards the motor, both sides blowing that way. The only thing I did kind of see that I wanted, now that I took it off again, I might get a 3 or 4 core radiator for extra cooling. But for the most part, like it's alright. Everything else is good. But yeah, like I was saying, I burped it, which I bought that off Amazon for like $25. Cheap, inexpensive. Did the work. You know what I'm saying? It did what it was supposed to do anyway. Let's see. Yeah, I can see the gap in there a little bit. It's perfect, man. Y'all drilled the holes out for them bolts. Turned the bolts inside out. So, I got the 4 in each fan. You know, these are 212s, not 14. That was what I messed up on the first time. Thought I had the right part. Luckily, some of it ain't too far from my house, about 20 minutes, but shit, with traffic, that made this shit about 45. But it's in. Everything good to go. I guess that's pretty much it. I got a few other things I want to show y'all, but I guess that'll wait for another video. All right, y'all, I'm out.